Hello, welcome to this short video. I'm going to show you how to install Tesseract, which is a library for doing optical character recognition. So I just did a Google search for Tesseract OCR, and this video is going to show you how to install it on Windows. So this is their GitHub page. If I go to installing Tesseract and then click that link right there. So it takes me to this page. And the first instructions are for Windows or Linux, um, or sorry, Mac or Linux. But if we scroll all the way down to Windows, it will give us a link for installing via this page. And if we go down here, we can install this executable. It'll ask once you've downloaded this, clicked on it, and then you'll run it. It'll ask you to you'll have to give it permission. But I'm assuming you're on a 64-bit. You probably are. Most computers, modern computers, are all 64-bit. Once you've installed it, it may ask you to choose the path. According to the instructions, you shouldn't tell it to set the path. The path, it's just like path we've been talking about in class. Like it's the location, like what folder, like what's the location of this um, installation. And instead of doing that via the installation, you'll do it manually. So if I hit my Windows key and I go for system configuration, and I actually want to choose this edit the system environment variables. And once you install it, you'll need to find out where it was installed, um, so that you know the path. So mine happened to be installed inside the program files. This will probably be similar to where yours is installed, your copy of this, and it's inside Tesseract OCR. So if I right click on that, I should be able to copy the path, copy as path. And if I go back to my system settings, I can set what are called environment variables. So the path variable is typical for all kinds of computer systems, in order to specify, like when you run different programs, like where they're going to be located. And so you'll specify all of those and all the important programs you want to run in your path. It's like a path environment variable. So I won't get into what that means, but let's just do it. Okay. So we want to choose path right there and then click edit. And I've already done it in mine, but the way I did that is I clicked new to add a new path, and then I already copied that, so I control paste. And I think it'll work with the commas. Let's see if I say okay. Yeah, it looks like it just removes the commas. So now I have an extra one, and you can test it by if you like go to VS Code, for example, and if you have the command terminal open and you just type Tesseract, then it should give you like some like usage. You can ask for help, dash dash help on how to use it from command line. But you can learn how to use it from command line, and that could be useful. But if you want to use it from Python, you'll want to install PyTesseract and do that. That's about it. Thanks for watching the video, and just uh, keep having fun coding.